What we are going to do here is look at how to set up and configure the CSV Reader agent. The function of this agent is to read data from a CSV file. I've set up a file listener which will monitor a directory for CSV files. Once it picks up a new file, I want to read this file. To start setting up your CSV Reader agent, go to the toolbox and search for CSV. You'll find this agent under Functions. Click on the agent and drag it to the canvas to add it to your data stream. Note that a default name will be given to it as soon as you drop it on your canvas. To rename this agent, just click on the white space and start typing. Click somewhere else on your canvas. Connect the output endpoint of the first agent to the input endpoint of the second. Click Save. To configure your CSV agent, double click on it. First, make sure you're using the correct collection. If you'd like to use a different collection, select another collection from the drop-down. Then, the file listener has a number of attributes in its payload that it passes on to the next agent. In the file field, I want to provide the path of the file, so I'm just going to select that from the drop-down. Then you need to provide the file path name. If you leave this blank, the consumed file path will be inserted into this field. Next, you have the option of providing a file definition. This will make it a lot easier for you if you don't want to manually provide the definition. If you select the checkbox, you'll be given the option of uploading a file which is just required to have the headings of the CSV file that you read. I'm just going to upload this file. As you can see, the headings have been added in the CSV definition. All I have to do now is to make sure that they all have the correct data type. Next, you need to specify whether your CSV file that you're going to read has a header or not. If it does not have a header, it will assign the headers to the columns based on the order in your CSV definition grid. Specify the delimiter that you're using. In our case, it's just going to be a comma. Add your encoding that you're going to be using. And since some CSV files use double quotes, some CSV files use single quotes, just specify this here. If your CSV file is using a single quote, just change this. I'm just going to leave it as is and click Apply. And then click Save. If at any time you want to verify if your stream has been configured correctly, just click on Integrity Check. If none of your agents are highlighted in red, it means everything is fine and you can go ahead and run your stream by clicking on Publish. To view the live data, click on Live View. I'm going to select both these agents and click Save. This is the directory I'm currently monitoring using my file listener agent. So I'm just going to add a file in here which I want to read using my CSV agent. As you can see, the file listener agent has picked up the file and moved it to the archive folder. The CSV Reader agent has read the file.